NASA's Trailblazer 1, the most far-off human-made object known to mankind, is sending usable data to Earth again. In the immeasurability of the universe, we have no clue about what it is, besides having the option to monitor it. Pioneer 1, the famous space probe launched by NASA more than 4.5 decades ago, has recently sent back a message that has sent shockwaves through the scholarly community. After traveling nearly 14 billion miles from Earth, Explorer 1 has made a discovery so significant that it has altered the trajectory of its mission, redirecting it toward our planet. But what exactly might this discovery be? Could it be evidence of extraterrestrial life, a cosmic phenomenon, or something even more exceptional? In this investigation, we uncover these stunning revelations as Explorer 1 makes an unexpected move, turning back toward Earth. History tells us that the Explorer twin probes might never have left Earth if certain cosmic events hadn't aligned. In this case, the aligning stars were the 4 largest planets in our solar system. Around 50 years ago, these planets were slowly aligning in a way that had last occurred during Thomas Jefferson's presidency in the early 19th century. This rare planetary alignment initially went unnoticed. The first person to recognize its significance was Gary Flandreau, a doctoral student in aeronautics at the California Institute of Technology in 1965. At the time, space exploration was in its infancy. Working part-time at NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab in Pasadena, California, Flandreau was tasked with figuring out the most efficient way to send a spacecraft to Jupiter, or perhaps farther, to Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune. Using a simple pencil, he meticulously plotted the orbital paths of these giant planets and made a fascinating discovery. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, all 4 planets would align in such a way that they could be visited in a single mission. This alignment meant a spacecraft could use the gravitational pull of each planet to slingshot itself to the next, significantly reducing travel time. Flandreau calculated that this alignment would cut the flight time from Earth to Neptune from 30 years to just 12. However, there was a catch. This planetary arrangement only happens once every 175 years. To take advantage of this unique opportunity, a spacecraft had to be launched by the early 1970s. NASA seized this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and built 2 spacecraft for the journey. These spacecraft, Explorer 1 and Explorer 2, were launched on an extraordinary mission to explore the outer planets of our solar system. Thanks to the alignment of the planets and Flandreau's visionary calculations, the launch of the Explorer twin spacecraft marked a historic achievement. On September 5, 1977, Explorer 1 embarked on its inspiring journey into space, launched by a powerful rocket known as Titan 3E. Just weeks earlier, on August 20, 1977, Explorer 2 had been launched, following slightly different paths. Their primary mission was to explore the massive gas giants in our solar system, such as Jupiter and Saturn, along with their many moons. However, these fearless explorers exceeded all expectations. They ventured far beyond their original objectives, pushing the boundaries of exploration and traveling farther and longer than any other spacecraft in history. They entered a region known as interstellar space, a completely unknown realm within our universe. Now, more than 12 billion miles from us, Explorer 1 and Explorer 2 continue to astonish scientists with the remarkable discoveries they make in deep space. Recently, they made a discovery so stunning that it has left everyone in awe. The Explorer twin spacecraft have achieved some truly remarkable feats. Decades ago, they explored the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, surprising researchers who initially believed these moons to be barren and scarred like our own moon. Instead, these moons turned out to be vibrant centers of activity. Explorer 2 made history by becoming the first of the twins to fly by Uranus in 1986. Just 3 years later, it passed Neptune, a feat unmatched by any other spacecraft. As these spacecraft continue their extraordinary journey, NASA has used clever techniques to keep them operational. By deactivating non-essential parts, such as extra instruments and heaters, they conserve power to sustain their missions until at least 2030. For the dedicated scientists and engineers who have been part of this incredible journey since its inception, it's a bittersweet mix of emotions. Their hard work has paid off, and just when they thought the Explorer missions were nearing their end, a startling discovery emerged from the depths of space. During their dramatic journey decades ago, the Explorer spacecraft amazed scientists by providing the first close-up views of Jupiter and Saturn's moons. These moons, initially believed to be dormant and heavily scarred, turned out to be dynamic worlds. Explorer 1 reached Jupiter in March 1979, just 20 months after its launch. Explorer 2, following a slightly different path, arrived in July of the same year. Equipped with VidCon cameras, the spacecraft captured full-color images using filters, ensuring clarity despite their slow rotation. These images revealed fascinating details, such as Europa's cracked icy shell, estimated to be more than 60 miles thick. As the spacecraft departed the Jupiter system, they gained acceleration, 35,700 miles per hour, due to a gravitational slingshot maneuver, propelling them toward interstellar space. At Saturn, the explorers parted ways. Explorer 1 passed through Saturn's majestic rings and ventured northward, while Explorer 2 continued solo, reaching Uranus and Neptune. In 1986, Explorer 2 discovered 10 new moons around Uranus and added the planet to the list of worlds in our solar system with rings. Despite its grand achievements, Explorer's journey continues to captivate humanity, showcasing the incredible possibilities of exploration. Explorer 2's encounter with Neptune in 1989 was a groundbreaking achievement, as it became the only spacecraft to visit the icy giant. During its flyby, Explorer 2 discovered 6 new moons, 4 new rings, and detailed Neptune's atmosphere, which featured the fastest winds recorded in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,000 miles per hour. Its journey also revealed the enigmatic moon Triton, with its retrograde orbit and cryovolcanic activity, further surprising scientists. By this point, both spacecraft had long surpassed their original mission objectives. Explorer 1, after its close pass by Saturn's moon Titan, was on a trajectory that would take it out of the solar system. Explorer 2, after its Neptune encounter, followed a slightly different path, also heading toward interstellar space. As the decades passed, the explorers crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the Sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. Explorer 1 crossed this boundary in 2012, followed by Explorer 2 in 2018, becoming the first human-made objects to venture into this mysterious domain. Despite their vast distances from Earth, over 14 billion miles for Explorer 1 and 12 billion miles for Explorer 2, they continue to transmit data using their low-power transmitters. Their longevity is a testament to the ingenuity of their design and the dedication of the NASA teams that have maintained their operations for nearly 50 years. The most recent discovery, which prompted Explorer 1's unexpected course change, has puzzled scientists. Although the details of this discovery remain classified, preliminary reports suggest it may involve extraordinary phenomena in interstellar space. The data hints at something that challenges our current understanding of physics and cosmology, a potential breakthrough that could redefine humanity's place in the universe. As Explorer 1 turns toward Earth, researchers are racing to decode its transmissions, hoping to unlock the secrets of its latest discovery. Whether it's a sign of extraterrestrial intelligence, a new type of cosmic structure, or a completely unknown phenomenon, the implications are profound. This turning point marks a new chapter in the mission of the explorers, whose journeys continue to remind us of humanity's relentless curiosity and boundless ambition. Even as their power dwindles, the explorers will drift through space for billions of years, long after the sun has faded. They will serve as silent witnesses to the universe, carrying the legacy of human exploration and the indomitable spirit of discovery. With their golden records, a time capsule containing sounds, images, and messages from Earth, they remain a message to any potential extraterrestrial civilizations, a testament to our existence and our desire to connect with the cosmos. The story of the explorers is far from over. As we await further updates from these pioneers of space exploration, they remind us of the vast, mysterious universe and the endless surprises it holds. They also serve as a reminder of humanity's unyielding drive to reach beyond the stars and achieve the unimaginable. The journey of the explorers is also a reminder of the fragility of human endeavors. Just a short time after Explorer 2's closest approach to Uranus, a tragic event cast a shadow over space exploration. The Space Shuttle Challenger tragically exploded shortly after launch, killing all 7 crew members, including Krista McAuliffe, a teacher from New Hampshire who was set to become the first civilian to travel into space. Despite this disaster, the mission of the Explorer spacecraft continued, and their discoveries became a source of inspiration for future space explorers. As they traversed the outer reaches of our solar system and beyond, these daring space travelers uncovered new secrets about our cosmic neighborhood. Explorer 2's flyby of Neptune, for example, provided humanity with the only close-up observations of the icy planet, revealing its dynamic atmosphere, turbulent winds, and unique moons. The data collected by these spacecraft has reshaped our understanding of the outer solar system and has influenced generations of scientists and engineers who have followed in their path. Explorer 1's contributions have also been immeasurable. Its close encounters with the moons of Jupiter and Saturn and its entry into interstellar space marked milestones in space exploration. As it continues its voyage across the vast expanse of space, it stands as a symbol of human ingenuity and determination, proving that even in the face of immense challenges, humanity's curiosity and desire for knowledge persist. In the years to come, the Explorer missions will continue to provide invaluable data about the far reaches of our solar system and beyond. Their legacy will inspire future generations to push the boundaries of exploration, to ask questions that challenge our understanding, and to dream of discoveries yet to be made. For now, as Explorer 1 and Explorer 2 continue their eternal journey into the unknown, humanity waits with bated breath for the next revelation, whether it will be the discovery of new cosmic phenomena, the potential for contact with extraterrestrial life, or the unraveling of mysteries that have puzzled scientists for centuries. Whatever the outcome, the story of the Explorer twins is far from finished. They are not just instruments of scientific inquiry but symbols of our endless quest to reach for the stars, to seek answers to the profound questions of the universe, and to understand our place within it. Their journey is a testament to the power of exploration, to the bravery of those who launched them, and to the resilience of human curiosity. The universe is vast, and though the explorers are now far beyond the realm of our everyday lives, they are part of a larger, ongoing story. As long as their signals continue to reach Earth, they will remind us that space exploration is not just about the instruments and data, but about the human spirit, a spirit that continues to look up, to wonder, and to explore the infinite cosmos.